What's up everyone? Welcome to your 10-minute dynamic warm-up. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna do lower body first. So 30 seconds, hip circles. You're gonna be standing on one leg, just making nice small circles with your leg. Don't get too big. Make sure you keep your balance nice and steady. Stabilize on your opposite leg. A little bit of bend in your knee. Make sure we're working both sides here, the bottom leg and the rotating leg. All right, let's go ahead and switch to the other side. 30 seconds on the opposite side. Take it nice and slow. Remember, we're really working on stabilizing on your non-moving leg, so take it easy. If it feels harder on one side, that's okay. We're just getting everything nice and activated. Got about 15 seconds left. Nice small circles. After this, we're gonna go into lunges with rotations. About 5 seconds left. Keep going. 3, 2, and 1. All right. Nice step forward for this next one. Step forward with one leg. Rotate over your leg. So if you're stepping with your left leg, you're gonna rotate to the left. Step with your left. Rotate to the left. We're gonna do one side at a time. 30 seconds, and then we'll switch to the other leg. Let's keep going. Got a few more. Let's do one more. All right, now we're gonna switch the other leg. So if you're doing the left leg, now do the right leg. Nice lunge. Don't have to go too low. Good rotation, arms straight, rotate. Keep going. Good posture. Good balance and stability. Let's do one more. All right. Single leg toe touches. So again, one side at a time. Gonna reach down, touch your toe, come back up, reach down, touch your toe, come back up. So starting on one leg, and then we're gonna move to the other leg. Soft knee, so a little bit of bend in your knee. Nice and slow, touch down, back up. Feel a nice stretch through those hamstrings. All right, switching legs, other side. Nice and easy. Back leg up. Good stretch through the hamstring. Nice and slow. Keep that balance. Almost there. Let's do one more. Excellent job. All right, we're gonna pick it up a little bit. Use slow butt kicks. So not too fast, we're not running in place. Just getting those thighs loosened up. Throwing your heels back, going back and forth, left and right, getting a little stretch through the front of those thighs. Just act like you're running. Nice slow jog, reaching back, trying to get the heel to your hips. Keep going, we're going to go for a full minute on this one. You're doing great. Should start to feel a little bit warm, maybe start to feel that sweat come. Keep going. Don't throw it back too hard. This is a nice, easy movement. We don't want to overstretch by kicking back too hard. All right, keep going. After this, we got leg swings. So you can choose to do this standing without any assistance, or you can turn to the wall and use the wall for assistance. So for the wall, one hand on the wall, gonna swing back and forth. Gonna feel a little stretch through the hamstring. Then as your leg flies back, gonna feel a little stretch through your hip flexor. So good posture, nice light touch on the wall. We go 30 seconds on this side, and then 30 seconds on the opposite side. Remember, just like the butt kicks, don't force this one too hard. All right, let's turn it around, other side. Same thing. Nice and easy. Kicking back and kicking forward. Gentle stretch through the hamstring. Gentle stretch through the front of your hip. Just getting it loose. It's the last lower body movement. Now we're going to move to the upper body. All right, arm circles forward. 30 seconds. Keep them about medium. You don't have to go too big, not too small. Just keep those arms straight. Nice smooth movements. Go 30 seconds forward, and we're gonna go 30 seconds backwards. Keep breathing. Whew, I'm getting warm. Starting to sweat. Keep it up. All right, we're gonna start backward. Ready? Switch backwards. Nice smooth movements. Smooth arm swing, arm straight. After this, we're gonna keep going with the upper body. Keep warming up those shoulders. We're gonna stretch out the triceps and the lats. We're gonna be reaching back overhead. We're gonna be trying to reach back to touch our shoulder blades. It's a little overhand to reach, or sorry, a little arm over the head reach. All right, 3, 2, 1, and start with the right arm, reaching back, switch. You're trying to reach back, touch your shoulder blades. Again, don't force it over too much, just nice and easy. Reach back, feel a little stretch through your lats, and a little stretch through your triceps. We're gonna go 30 seconds here, and then we're gonna switch to arm hugs. Keep loosening up those shoulders. Keep going, keep going. Nice and easy. It's okay if you can't get back there yet. Keep practicing, you'll get there. All right, arm hugs. Crossing the hands over each other. As you open up your arms, feel a good stretch through the front of your chest and your shoulders. Nice and easy, keep them just at shoulder height. Maybe slightly lower, that's okay too. Got 30 seconds here before we go into bent over rotations. So this next one's gonna be a little tricky, but follow my lead and you'll do just great. We're gonna do 30 seconds on each side for these bent over rotations. Here we go. Grab your arms, grab your shoulders, hips back. You're gonna rotate to the left, come back to the middle, rotate to the left, come back to the middle. We're gonna stay right here. Keep going to the left, hips back, back nice and straight. Nice, easy rotations. Try to get that elbow, left elbow up as high as you can towards the ceiling. Come back to center. One more. All right, we're gonna switch to the right side, same thing. Knees bent, hips back. For those of you that play golf, it's perfect practice for your swing. It's also just great for general warm up. Through the hips, through the hamstrings, through that spine. You're gonna really feel good after this one. All right, here we go. A couple more. And last one. All right, good job. Going into inchworms, hands down on the ground. Walk it out. Stop, walk back. Trying to keep your legs a little bit straight, soft bend in the knee. Walk forward, come into a plank position, walk back, keep going. We're gonna go for a whole minute. Nice and easy. Come to a stable position, walk back, keep going. Almost there. Good job, keep going, almost there. Do a couple more. Woo, last one. All right, last one, down on the ground. T-spine rotations. Lay on your side. Hands straight out in front. Legs bent at 90 degrees. We're gonna rotate open, rotating that spine. Come back. Nice and easy. Couple more rotations and we're gonna switch sides. Try to keep your legs on the floor. All right, other side. Rotate. Doing great, keep going. Nice stretch through the spine. Open up that shoulder and chest a little bit. One more time. All right, great job. Pop on up. Now you're ready for action. Great job. We'll see you back next time for the next workout. Keep it up.